Let's solve this together. It says 4 raised to power x is equal to 3584. We're about to solve for x in this question. Okay. Now, first thing we can do here is to outline the multiples of 4. So 4 is equal to 2 squared, and 3584 is equal to 64 multiplied by 56. 64 is equal to 2 raised to power 6. Okay, and 56 is equal to 8 times 7, which is 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 7. This is now equal to 2 raised to power 9 multiplied by 7. Okay, so we replace 4 and 3584 with these multiples in this equation. So we have 2 squared raised to the power of x to be equal to 2 raised to power 9 multiplied by 7. Now when you have a number raised to a power raised to another power, you multiply the two powers. So we have 2 raised to power, 2 times s is 2x, to be equal to 2 raised to power 9 multiplied by 7. Now at this juncture, you can take the logarithm of both sides. If you take the logarithm of both sides, you have logarithm of 2 raised to power 2x to be equal to logarithm of 2 raised to power 9 multiplied by 7 in brackets. Okay. Now we're going to be taking the logarithm not in the base of 10, but in the base of 2. Okay, because 2 is a number carrying x. So we take the logarithm in base 2 of both sides. Okay. Now we're going to have this. When you have logarithm of a number raised to a power, you multiply that power with the log. So we have 2x multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2 to be equal to, when you have multiplication in logarithm, you split up and put plus. Okay, so instead of having the multiplication here, we'll have logarithm of 2 to the power 9 in base 2 plus now logarithm of 7 to base 2. Okay, now logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. 1 times 2x is 2x to be equal to, this is now 9 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2 plus logarithm of 7 to base 2. Okay, now 2x is equal to, logarithm of 2 to base 2 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9 plus logarithm of 7 to base 2. Hence our x becomes 9 over 2 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by logarithm of 7 to base 2. Okay, this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's watching here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.